Hey, what is up everybody? I'm Riz, and today's awesome video I'm going to show you how you can import pretty much all your presets into your Lightroom all at once. And we know how hard it is to import presets on your iPhone. I used to import presets into the Lightroom one by one. It took me hours. So today's video, we're going to fix that. Let's jump in. All right, first things first. We have downloaded presets onto our iPhone, and you should be able to find those into your Files app. So tap on your Files app and you can see it's pretty similar. So just gonna go into the Browse section and you have all these options. Now I have downloaded the presets into my Downloads section. As you can see, it's right at the top. Yours might be different. So if you need any help, just comment down below. I'll definitely help you out. Now into the Download section, as you can see, I have wallpapers and Lightroom presets. I have 220 presets. So as you can see, we've got lots of presets. And now the tricky thing is you cannot select all of them and import them directly into the Lightroom. And that's where I come in. I'm gonna make it extremely simple. So once you find all your presets, what we're gonna be doing is to go into the options and tab on select and select all of them. Once you select all of them, you should be able to find the options at the bottom right corner. So just tap on that and click on the new folder with 220 items. This basically will put all your presets into a new folder. Tap on the new folder. As you can see, we have a new folder and it's gonna ask you to rename your folder. So what we're gonna do is just gonna type in all presets. There you go. Pretty simple. All right, so we have all the presets into our new folder, right? And now we have all the presets into a new folder. We just made that. I'm sorry about Leo in the back. Now, what we're gonna be doing is to just tap and hold, and you should get these options, right? Next up, you wanna do is to choose the option called compress. It's right there, right below the rename option. Once you tap on compress, this will automatically make a new zip file next to your presets, named all presets. This is basically exact same folder, but compressed. We just compressed it. That's what it basically means. So once it's compressed, that is all we have to do into the Files app. Next up, I wanna exit the File app. I wanna go into the Lightroom. Now, this is a photo I took, pretty awesome. Now, how do I import pretty much all of them? So you wanna do is to go into the presets tab at the bottom, and you wanna go to yours preset. Now, see, you have pre-installed preset that come with Lightroom. They're not really great. So what you wanna do is to tap on the top right corner, tap on the three dots at the top right corner, and it should ask you to import presets, create presets, or manage presets. We want to import the presets, so just tap on the import presets. Now, this actually brought us back to the Files app. Now, this is one by one. We cannot do one by one, right? So what I want to do is to go into the Browse app and go into the Downloads app. We have presets. We have all the presets in there. Tap on the folder we just made. That's the folder we made, and that's the compressor. That's the compressed folder we made as well. Now, instead of tapping one by one, what we want to do is just tap on the zip file, and we'll automatically import 220 presets all at once. And you can see it actually imported the only supported ones. We had 220, but imported 215. That's completely okay. And it imported pretty much all my presets. That is the coolest part. And you can use them. As you can see, we have some of the favorites. Just tap on that. Looks pretty good. Yep, I mean, it's pretty decent, right? Yeah, I like this one actually, so let's just do that. I'm gonna use this, I'm gonna save it to device. And there you go, we have completed it. Pretty awesome, right? Well, let me know in the comment section below if you need any help, and I'm hoping you enjoyed the video. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, be sure to subscribe. I'm Riz, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.